Hey guys, it's me and brother and Barney. We're gonna make a song about Barney, me and brother. But we just want to start off the video. Now it's time to make the song. We love Barney. Barney is our favorite thing. He sleeps like a rock all day long and all night. But he loves us too. But he's the one who protects us. We love him now. Barney is our favorite dog. He loves us all day long. And we love him too. Barney is our favorite dog. He sleeps all day long. We love him, and he barks at us. But he still loves us. We love him too. Okay, guys, did y'all like it? I bet y'all did. Bye, guys.